Yo, YouTube, man, I hope y'all ready to get to it, huh? Man, well, let's do it.
Flyer, high up in the sky. That's just how I feel when I take a ride. Backward blowing as we run the beat. Tears so dark you can't see the seats. So let's swap colors.
Yo, man, yes sir, man. Y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy, aka Built on a Budget Junior. That's right, man. If you haven't already, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bells. Yes sir. Hey man, I hope everybody doing alright today, man. Yeah, man, it's nice out. Y'all see we back outside, we in the garage, and we still working on Sparrow, busting down this wiring harness. Yes sir. Man, yesterday y'all saw that we got some juice going to the relays, which made power go to the fuel pump, right? Yes sir, boy. Hey, pat yourself on the back, man. For real, that's an accomplishment. For real, that's an accomplishment. But we're not done. Still not out of the ballpark yet. So let me show y'all what I got for y'all. Hey, if you haven't already now, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells. And make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Go ahead, hit it. Hit it. Alright, hey, I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Let's go. Alright, y'all. We back in the building. Yep, y'all still see my mess of wires. But you also see, like I showed y'all yesterday, all of them are taped up, separated, you know what I mean, for testing purposes only. We still in our testing phase. Alright? So like I said yesterday, we saw that we was getting power to our relays, which is our main relay. Let me see which one is our main one. This is our main one because it has the jumper wire on it. This is our main relay that's gonna power up our makeshift fuels box. And this is our fuel pump relay. Alright? Cool. Alright. So now this is what I wanted to show y'all. So remember when I was telling y'all yesterday with your multimeter, hope y'all can hear me because I'm turning away from the camera so I can grab my multimeter. Alright, so we got our multimeter. Alright, let me show y'all exactly what I was talking about yesterday as far as testing, well, measuring resistance. Alright, so we're gonna set it on the 200. Y'all see it set on the 200. Alright, we ain't gonna cut it on yet because I'm gonna identify the wire that I'm trying to show y'all first. Alright, let me see. Let me find one. Let's do the, matter of fact, let's do the mass airflow. If I can get it out this tape. After I take this tape off, I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright? Alright, y'all, we back. So I got it unhooked. So I had the transmission and PCM wire going, and the O2 sensor and the mass airflow sensor all hooked up into this one wire right here. I had it just like this. I had it touching, and then I wrapped it together. Alright, so that made it to one wire. Cool. So we're gonna test resistance on our mass airflow. That's, move some of these wires. Alright, y'all, make sure y'all unhook y'all battery and everything, so y'all make sure y'all it ain't no power and nothing, cause you mess around and burn up something, burn up yourself. I don't know what might happen, but just make sure all the power is disconnected. Unhook that battery. Alright, so let me see if y'all can see me. Yep, y'all can see my hand. Alright, so we're gonna unhook this mass airflow. If I can get it off. But I hate squeezing these tabs, yo. Golly. I just had them on. Let me see, y'all. Let me get that off and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright, y'all, I'm back again. Boy, it took me every minute, every bit of got doggone 5 minutes to take that joke off this round. I just put it back on me. I don't know why it been so hard to get off, but these damn tabs, yo. Alright, y'all. But this is what I was saying. So, check this out now. We only working with our pink wires. We only working with our pink wires. So, that's what it said. That's what it means by like everything that's key on like your coils, your injectors and your O2 sensors and your mass airflow. Y'all get it. But you're looking for those paint wires. So say if I was to wanted to been testing the resistance on the O2 sensors. See, my O2 sensors already hooked up. So basically, man, you gotta do this like right here. Certain things you gotta think about your situation, and don't make everybody else's situation your situation and vice versa. Don't make your situation everybody else's and everybody else's yours. Alright? So with my situation, that's why I got so much wires. So basically, if you had ordered a standalone harness, you know what I mean? These wires right here, these ones that I got taped up, that I'm trying to make one wire, that's already done for you. You know what I mean? So that's all I'm basically doing right now, is breaking it down to only one wire. You know what I mean? Not one wire each, but y'all see how I got it. I'll finish explaining the rest later, but we're gonna test our resistance so I can show y'all how to do that. So, we got our mass airflow plug. Like I said, we only working with the pink. So we see our pink is right here. You know what I mean? Coming from this would be my, I don't know if this would be y'all left or right. Well, going from left to right. It's gonna be 1, 2, all right? It's gonna be the second one. So what you would do is you would just take one of the prongs, and then that silver part in there, you're gonna touch it, right? Then you will take the other side, where the other one at, and you will touch this, right? All right. Let me see if I can get a. All right, we on. All right. Let me see if I can get y'all a good spot for y'all to see this. See the number change. Golly, bro. Hey. All these wires in the way. Oh, y'all can't even see that. Y'all can't even see that. Uh-oh. Y'all could see that. Y'all could see that. Oh, y'all. Golly, bro. Alright. So, like I said, the pink wire right here. We'll touch it right here. Then we're going to touch our mass airflow right here. I might not have a good connection in the mass airflow, so I may have to redo it. Yep, see, I don't got a good connection. I don't got a good connection, y'all. Hold up. But it's kind of hard to touch it. And you don't want to damage the thing on the inside. But see, it's kind of hard to touch it. Hold up. Can't get the pin all the way back up. See, you don't want to damage it. It took me a little minute to get it the first time too when I tried it. Let me see. I don't know how I had it the first time. I don't want to damage it trying to show y'all, but I want to show y'all. I don't want to damage it. I don't want to damage it, y'all. Oh. Let me cut y'all back on. Alright, y'all, I'm back. My bad, man. I was actually almost damaging the mass airflow plug, man. So we're gonna switch it up and we're gonna use one of the coils. So I have the coil plug right here. I already identified my pink, which is right here at the top. is this one right here. All right, and I have my coil driver side wire right here. All right, so what you want to do is you just want to touch that one and then touch. Let me go around the camera, y'all, my bad, because I want y'all to see the number change. Then we're gonna touch right here. See, y'all see it move, right? It goes to 0. All right, so basically what I was saying was you would do that right there inside, say like your connector. All right, inside, man, y'all can't even see that. Let me back this up, man. My bad, y'all. I'm sorry. All right, so you would do that same thing. That's how you identify which wire is which, because inside this connector, all you gotta do is just touch each wire, and then you will see it move. All right, that's how you gonna touch that. That's how you test for resistance and identify each wire. Cool. Believe in yourself. You hear me? Believe in yourself.